Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Miss, introduce myself. My name is SABINA QISTHY and E21255055 and I'm from class 1B Public Administration. First, I'm gonna explain about this topic is a step of essay writing, definition of connecting words, common errors in writing, organize and connect the specific evidence in essay, and last, transition sentence. First, I'm explain about this topic is a step of essay writing. The step of essay writing. First, decide what kind of essay to write. 2. Brainstorm your topic. 3. Research the topic. 4. Choose a writing style. Develop a thesis. 6. Outline your essay. 7. Write your essay. And last, edit your writing to check spelling and grammar. Second, explain about this topic definition of connecting word. Connecting word is linking word, also called connecting word. Transition or linking word are phrases that indicate the relationship between paragraphs or section of the text or space. Are words that used to combine two different thoughts into one sentence. Each part of the final sentence is called a clause. Clause is a part of a sentence that has a subject and a verb. For example, for, so, that, and. 3. Common error in writing essay. First, too many arguments. Your lecturer always tell you to define the thesis with strong argument. If you are write a basic 5-paragraph essay, then you need to have 3 main arguments. Do not combine the paper by writing unlike statement just to make the thesis statement more. 2. Plagiarism. You are expected to use different sources in order to provide evidence for your thesis statement and argument. But you must always include proper reference. Paraphrasing is same as plagiarism. You are not allowed to present someone else's ideas as your own. 3. Confusing introduce or conclusion. In the introduce paragraph, you should introduce the main concept and present the thesis statement. The conclusion should summarize your main point and restate the thesis. This sounds simple, so it's amazing how students manage to make this section of their essay so clear. 4. Neglecting lecture instruction. Read the instruction carefully and follow them precisely. 5. Failing to recognize the need for essay writing help. When you realize that you cannot complete the perfect paper, but this is the smart thing to do. Choose an agency that provide assistance with essay writing. And last, skip the post-essay writing stage. You just finished writing essay, your work is not done yet. Then, you can come back to it and start editing the part that needs change or addition. For the topic is organize and connect the specific evidence and essay. The paragraph should begin with a topic sentence that introduces the idea. Then show the key evidence that support the idea paragraph and explain why the evidence is relevant to the idea of the paragraph and to the main claim of the essay. Using this format, you have a main idea, often called is a thesis statement or an opinion, with evidence that support that idea. The 5-paragraph essay format an argument that has supportive evidence but doesn't necessarily require a consideration of other competing claims. the 5-paragraph essay in introduction, body paragraph 1 to 3, and conclusion. Class 5 is transition sentence. Transition sentence are the sentences that show relationship between or two more ideas. Think of them as bridges, tunnel, and merges that connect different sections of your work with specific words and paras acting as word signs. For an example of contrast, however, still nevertheless conversely. Okay, thank you for attention, Miss. And I'm sorry if there is a wrong pronunciation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.